Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for YouTube. Gemini is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your video creation process. We'll explore how it assists with brainstorming, script writing, and optimizing your content for a wider audience. Get ready to streamline your workflow and produce more compelling videos with Gemini's help. Let's start with brainstorming. Gemini can be your creative partner, helping you discover fresh video ideas. Simply ask it for trending topics relevant to your channel or request unique perspectives on existing content. You can even generate a list of 10 potential video concepts, then work with Gemini to refine those into solid, actionable plans for your next upload. Next, let's talk about scripting and content creation. Gemini excels at drafting full video scripts based on your outlines, saving you valuable time. It can also craft captivating introductions and strong conclusions, ensuring your videos start and end effectively. Don't forget to use Gemini to generate engaging calls to action and detailed video descriptions, boosting viewer interaction. Finally, let's focus on optimization and engagement. Gemini helps you optimize your video titles and descriptions for better search engine visibility. It can generate relevant keywords and tags, making your content more discoverable. Beyond videos, use Gemini to craft engaging community posts and even analyze audience sentiment from comments, fostering a stronger connection with your viewers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.